Hey, 2 steps to wealth family. Today, I'm here to give you a reality check that could completely change your financial life. If you feel like you work hard but never have money left over, if you're tired of the endless cycle of bills, debt, and frustration, then this video is for you. What I'm about to show you could be the turning point between staying trapped in financial mediocrity or finally achieving the freedom you've always dreamed of. But before we dive deep into this essential topic, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. Do it now, because I guarantee this content will open your mind. In the future, you might look back and regret not making the right decision today. Now answer this in the comments. Have you ever stopped to think about how much of your money is actually working for you while you're just working to pay bills? What radical change would you be willing to make today to ensure a financially stress-free future? Let's reflect on this together. Why most people never get rich? Let's get straight to the point. Most people live in a never-ending cycle. They earn money, spend everything, pay bills and debts, and then repeat the process. Sounds normal, right? But this is a deadly trap. Many believe that working a stable job their whole life will guarantee financial stability. But the truth is, just working hard doesn't create wealth. While you trade hours of your life for a fixed salary and barely manage to save money, those who truly understand money are investing, multiplying their income, and building a secure future without being slaves to an alarm clock. Have you noticed that no matter how much you try to save, your money just seems to disappear? The answer is clear. You're being sabotaged by bad financial habits and a system that never taught you how to make money work for you. Now let's talk about the 3 villains that silently drain your money: inflation, consumerism, and taxes. Inflation, the silent thief. Inflation is like a thief sneaking into your house and stealing your purchasing power without you realizing it. You feel it when you notice that the same amount of money buys less and less. If you don't do something to protect your wealth, your money will keep losing value. Consumerism, the monster inside your head. Ever felt that irresistible urge to buy something just because it's on sale? That's consumerism sabotaging you. Buying unnecessary things is one of the biggest mistakes keeping you from investing and accumulating wealth. Taxes, the black hole of your salary. Have you ever noticed how much of your money goes to taxes? Every time you buy something, part of that money goes straight to the government. If you don't factor this into your financial planning, you'll never be able to build wealth. Now, pay attention. The real secret of millionaires is the power of compound interest. It works like a magic seed. You plant it, nurture it, and over time, it grows into a strong tree that keeps producing fruit. The key is to start early and let time work in your favor. Even if you don't have much to invest right now, don't worry. The important thing is to start. Investing regularly and reinvesting your earnings creates a snowball effect that makes your wealth grow exponentially over the years. And don't think you need a lot of money to start. Every dollar invested today is a step toward your financial freedom. If you want to get rich, you need to shift your mindset. While most people work themselves to exhaustion and spend everything they earn, winners make money work for them. Now, let's bust a myth. To become wealthy, you don't have to work yourself to the bone. Rich people don't trade time for money. They make money work for them. Imagine 2 friends, John and Mary. They both earn the same salary. John spends everything he makes and lives paycheck to paycheck. Mary, on the other hand, invests part of her money. Over time, while John remains stuck in the same cycle, Mary has built growing wealth without having to work herself to exhaustion. The difference? Mindset. Have you ever noticed that nobody teaches financial education in school? If you don't actively seek out this knowledge, you'll never learn how to make money work for you. The result? Adults who are completely unprepared to manage their own finances. But you can change that now. Investing in financial knowledge is the key to escaping mediocrity. Learn about investments, compound interest, diversification, and risk management. Remember, the investment in knowledge pays the best interest. If you want to transform your financial life, you need to build habits that prioritize saving and investing. Every dollar wasted on something unnecessary is a missed opportunity to grow your money. Ask yourself, does this expense bring me closer to or further from financial freedom? Imagine your finances as a garden. If you plant seeds and take care of them, soon you'll be harvesting fruits. But if you waste all your seeds without thinking about the future, you'll never have a harvest. The same goes for your money. Never put all your eggs in one basket. If you put all your money into a single investment, you could lose everything if something goes wrong. But if you diversify, you reduce risks and increase your chances of growth. Fixed income, real estate funds, stocks, cryptocurrencies. Each investment has its role. Just like a soccer team needs different players to win, your investment portfolio needs balance to perform well. Now, here comes the tough love. If you keep living on autopilot, your money will keep disappearing. Every impulse buy, every unnecessary expense, every unused subscription is a hole in your financial future. But you can change this today. Take control of your financial life, invest wisely, and build a prosperous future. So, what are you going to do right now to change your story? Drop a comment below.